back to Friday. Hope you guys enjoy Friday. Good morning guys, good evening, or good afternoon sa lahat. Ngayon maggawa ako ng clam dip. Nagamit ko ito na clam na ginagamit ko. At saka dalawang cream cheese and salt, brown pepper, at saka lagyan natin ng we're gonna add on a little of lemon. So pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko
gawin. Ito na guys. Unang-una natin. Kung sinong mahilig ng snacks, ito ang maganda na snacks. Lalo na pag nanood kayo ng TV, yung jowa nyo, or the whole family. Kasi masarap siya guys. Ayan, dito pala. Para makikita nyo. Mamaya ko na itapon. Then, ang mga ingredients natin, okay? Then, let's open the one can of clam.
dito. Kasi diba ang clam medyo malaki, so kailangan natin i-slice. You need to slice it first before you mix it together with your cream cheese. So just put it out. And then chop it. Imagine, please close the room because I don't want that your dad gonna hear my tingnan nyo guys, yung malalaki na hiwa na slice, kailangan natin i-slice ulit para ano siya, mas masarap, mas ma-feel mo ang masarap na clam dip. Promise guys, this is my favorite recipe I have. So simply just 5 lang ang ano niya, ingredients niya. Mai-enjoy mo. And then pagkatapos na to, ilagay natin sa fridge para medyo cold, malamig. So just do it that way. Or you can only use one cream cheese and one clam dip. It's up to you, but I like two, so I can make a little more. Ito na guys, i-mix natin dito sa makita ba niyo? I hope you can see it guys. Dito ilagay natin ang clam. Okay, and then put away that side. Let me, because I don't want to get messy here. Every time I cook, we always taking care of all the meals. So, and then, lagyan natin ng asin. Just add on a little bit of salt and a little bit of brown pepper. That's it. And, of course, ito, isa sa one of the best, a lemon. So, we're gonna squeeze it a little. Just that way. up to you guys, but I always do like this. Simple. That's it. Put on here. If you see the seeds, you need to take it out until we mix it up all this thing. And then you can add all that. I like more juice, you know. I like some sauce from the clams. They're a little watery, but don't worry, because once you put it in the fridge, it's gonna freeze. So just leave it that way. And then now it's up to you guys what any kinds of chips you can use this one to dip it. And it's still good. Let it put in the fridge like 30 minutes. It's already ready. 30 or 20 minutes, it's up to. But you can eat this one directly if you want it. But this time I prefer a little cold or a little malamig. You know? Okay guys, pakita ko sa inyo na ang clam dip ko for today. Ito na siya guys. Chips na kasi na ginagamit ko or simple din. Ito ang ginagamit ko. Kasi manood kami ng movie. So, yung asawa ko. Ito ko. Ito na guys. What do you gonna do? Just dip it. That's why they call it clam dip. And eat it.